All right, so in today's video, we're going to be modeling adding and subtracting equations, okay? So if you see here, we have an x modeled, and then we have our 5 negatives for our minus 5, and then we have our equal sign, and on the other side, we have a positive 3. Now remember, our goal is to get x all by itself. So our 5 negatives need to get lost. So if we have 5 negatives, the only way to get rid of 5 negatives is to add 5 positives. So I'm going to add 5 positives to this side of my equation. And remember, what I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other side. So if I add 5 positives to this side, I now need to add 5 positives to this side. Kind of like what's already shown in the picture. So if we add 5 positives to the side with x, everything is gone. So remember, we have to add 5 to both sides of the equation. And then if you see here, after everything's gone on this side, we are now left with 8 positives on this side. So our answer is x equals 8. All right, let's do that one more time here. Here we see that 3 positives are modeled, an equal sign, and then we have 4 positives plus an x. So remember, our goal is to get x all by itself. So in order to get x by itself, we need to ask ourselves who needs to leave. Well, positive 4 needs to leave. The only way to get rid of positive 4 is to add 4 negatives. And remember, what we do to one side, we must do to the other side. So we have to add 4 negatives to the other side. Okay? Remember, the side with x is going to zero out. Okay? So after we add a negative 4 to both sides of the equation, then you can see here our final solution after we get rid of all our 0 pairs, x would be a negative 1.